स्नो नहीं होएगी, बर्फ़ गिरेगी, रोड जम जाएंगे, रोडों पे बर्फ़ जम जाएगी। ट्रैवलिंग बंद कर रखी, कह रखी कि ट्रैवलिंग करना जितना हो उसके उतनी ट्राई करना कि ट्रैवलिंग ना करो। मैं कहा ठीक है भाई। ये देखो मौसम। हैव अ गुड नाइट जी। दिमाग खराब कर दिया भाई। आज एक बंदा आया था, he came and then he was like he just trying to teach me change your religion. He just trying to teach me like change your religion. And like the guy came here, he was like he just asked me like, do you know about Jesus? I said I don't know about Jesus too much because I'm not from Jesus, I'm Hindu. And I, I respect every religion, but I don't know about other religion. And I don't wanna share anything about if I don't know about Jesus. So I don't wanna share anything about Jesus because if I say something wrong, you're angry with me. I don't wanna do this. La 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 la. So let's do it. Yeah. Now let me like everybody off these 3 days, but not me because I work at the gas station and almost gas station are closed too. But my owner said I need money. My owner said I need money. I don't want to lose money. Baby, what's up, baby? Look at this. Nobody here, baby. So guys, you know what? I don't want to go outside right now because let me show you something. Look at this flag. Look at this flag. This motherfucker were they trying to killing me. So guys, look at these machines. Put it here, money. Winning here, money. That's it, money. So guys, what can I do right now? And look at these cameras. Hey, what's up, bro? Look, look. I wear your cap, bro. What is that? Biscuits. Biscuits. Look at the head, bro. Look at this. 1, 2, 3. Oh, huh? Register hang हो गया भाई. Register hang, guys. Damn it, that's it. Look, start and end. You see? And look at this, my motherfucker slurpees. That's fucking crazy. This is a water. Look like water. Look. Oh shit, bro. Don't booty. Look at this, my wholesale. Nobody buy this. I don't know why. We just sell it 149. Just this bottle and everything in this. We just sell 149. Nobody buy. They thought like it's expired. Bro, we are not crazy. If it's expired, we're gonna trash it. Not like that. But some customers are crazy. And they thought we are crazy too. But we are not crazy, bro. If you need it, most welcome. If you don't need it, get the fuck out of here, bro. Would like to take notes while I take totes. Oh my god. It's just a Friday, bro. And today Saturday. Saturday, Sunday, these 2 days. Stay home, guys. Am I Arun? I'm not looking at him, bro. I'm Mexican, man. Hey, puto, what's up, puto?
What the fuck? मेरा मजाक.
Look at this. Nobody drink this. Nobody here for play with me. Come on, guys. Where are you guys? Let's go. Let's play. Yeah. Damn. Let's go inside. Buddies, I'm closing my shift. It's already 7 p.m. right? Yeah, 7 a.m. So it's already done. Don't do that, bro. Zero मार दे zero. You want it? You want it this? तुम्हें खाना तो खा लो. वो देखो भाई, वो आ गया दूसरा बंदा. सवेरे सवेरे गैम्बलिंग करा, जुआ खेला जुआ. He just put $1, guys. Guys, finally. Look. Damn. Let's go, bro. Let's go. Damn, bro. Let me. Don't sleep it. Don't sleep it. Don't sleep it. Uh-oh. Yep. Finally, guys.